institutions that have the license from the RBI to sell and buy foreign currencies. So you want to become a Forex authorized dealer, you should get a license from the RBI. You can sell or buy foreign currencies. So in this you have different types of dealers. So authorized dealer 1, 2, 3. Now we will discuss what is authorized dealer 1. All nationalized banks, leading non-nationalized banks and foreign banks are appointed as authorized dealer category 1 to deal in foreign exchange. These foreign exchange need not be currency exchange, it can be transaction in foreign exchange, bill of exchange, checks, letter of credit, deposits also you need. For example, you want to accept a US dollar deposit, then there is a conversion of currency. So all these below transactions, foreign exchange is required. Dealer 2, authorized to perform non-trade related current account transactions. For example, whatever we have discussed, LC, bank guarantees, all those things, these are the trade related foreign exchange. Authorized dealer 2 category, they can do the foreign exchange transaction, but it should be non-trade related. So for example, for the family maintenance, money is getting from the abroad to India, or as a gift, or somebody studying foreign, father wants to send money, or medical purpose they want to send money to the abroad, these are allowed to do under dealer 2. Major players in AD1, all banks, most of the bank, Allahabad Bank, Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of America, ICICI Bank. AD2, all Bhaktakal, Urban Cooperative Bank, Oriental Exchange and Financial Services Private Limited, lot of companies are. AD3, Export Import and Bank, SIDBI, IFCI, SBI Global Factors, these are the AD3 level players. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.